Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not going to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. See you there.
I have no problem in removing somebody who is a threat or is an obstacle to our problems, But I have a problem with infanticide. You go adopt the baby?
Pops, that's not my problem, She know the kind of job she chose. I mean, it sounds harsh, but it is the reality. She know what she signed up for. Which is why we are on her every move.
Okay, Bubbles. Trust you got that under control. No. Consuela wants to be a part of the Ocherios move.
Why? It's an observe and report mission. We don't need any more help. What am I gonna do? Send nightmares come?
Why is it I get the feeling that you really don't like Consuela?
I think you trust your old army friends too much. You remember Martin? You remember Tony? And now Consuelo, the man who started the Nightmare program.
Whatever happened to be innocent until proven? Oh, okay. I hear you.
Him disband the Nightmare program?
What kind of question that? I run my agency, not his.
Good. That means you don't need him help.
Well, now you've gotten your marching orders. Only other thing we have not fully covered is majors, and Marcus is back on the grid.
You know what puzzles me, Pops? Why is majors coming at the agency so hard? I mean, we'll put him in place. And we never do nothing for expose him. So.
I forgot to tell you something. I may have inadvertently contributed to his sudden development of a hard-on for us. Don't look like that.
Pops, what you do?
I didn't do anything.
Pops?
I may have left some photographs for him. And the boy got turned, wake up late.
Pops, you send the pictures to Major's wife?
No. I send them to him. But the boy wake up late. I wonder if it was at back road again. Anyway, his wife come down before him to get coffee and run into the picture.
Pops, you know say you do that for spite?
Me? Spite? Have I ever struck you as a spiteful person? Don't answer.
That was very petty though.
No, it wasn't petty.
So what you call that?
I just said a little reminder, Sometimes people don't remember what them shouldn't do. So you give a little reminder. You're supposed to wake up early. How you want to run an agency and you don't know if you get up early in the morning?
Pops, I love you dearly. Later.
I wonder if the observer wants some new pictures. Forget. Oh, shit.
Now, while serious crimes have been down in the community over the past year, the police say it is alarming that 7 guns have now been seized in the community in less than 4 weeks.
Now, Kelisha Williams has her story.